Okay, how to make this video on how to change the door handles on this truck. Now, what happened was my son broke this one. So I bought chrome ones to change out from my black ones. Well, when I did this one, it was actually pretty easy to change. So I said, you know what? Let me change them all now so they match, say, instead of having all black, you know? All right, now, I'm going to try to balance the camera in a way where you guys could see what's going on. But I bought the handles. I bought the factory GM handles, and they come with this little piece here. And it really wasn't, it was not a hard job. Let me get a piece of wood or something that I could possibly chalk up this phone so you'll be able to see. Let's see, without me. Oh, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do this. Maybe. Let's see. If I can balance this thing, that's actually pretty good. I think that's pretty good. All right. Hopefully, let me see. Get back a little bit more. All right. If the phone doesn't fall. So I tried to make this video to show you guys what I did. There's a little black cap right here. So that pops off. And it's pretty easy to pop off. Take the little black cap, put that somewhere you're not gonna lose it. Okay, and then, oh boy. What is gone? Oh, it's not gone. My, I have in here, well, inside here is my Torx that I used to get that open, but I taped it in place and somebody pushed it. I guess it went in. I taped it in place because I don't want a chance losing that thing. There we go. Tape it in place. So I use the Torx. There's a little screw in. Oh, this one's different. Okay. This one is straight in. The front door was up at an angle. So the Torx, you just loosen this. It's already sliding in. Oh, God. This Torx I have is not really fitting properly. It's slipping out for some reason. Now, you don't have to unscrew it all the way because you drop the screw in the door, you're going to know it. You know, for some reason, okay, it's getting loose. There we go, came right out. So that's the door part. See that other part? That came right out. Now, as far as the handle, you pull it and snap it forward, the handle comes out. Do you see how easy that actually was? Now look, I'm not gonna say it's gonna go in the same way. What I'd like to actually do is pause this video for a sec. Well, I don't even have to pause it. I just want to clean the black off that's under here. There's all black under here, you know, underneath the handle. Clean all that off. And there's a little gasket in there. Clean that black off. Now, there's a latch in here. I'm going to have to pick up the phone and show you. That is this latch. Yes, it's tough cleaning that stuff that's under the handle. Okay, now, I'll show you this latch that I'm talking about. There's a part that's it's a little tough to get to. That was the only thing I really had trouble with, was this latch. I'll show you in a minute, but I used fishing line, but strong fishing line. It took me a minute to figure out how I was gonna get this out. But there's a latch right in there, right? Let me show you. Let me get this latch out. I could probably, there's a latch right here. This thing. There's a latch, and you kind of got to pull it out to snap the handle, the new handle, into it. So that might be a little more difficult. Let me get the string around that latch, and then we'll start this video again. Okay, I got the string around that latch. See that little latch in the back? It's kind of hard to... Let me see if I can zoom up on it. That might work better. There's a little latch back there. See that right there? I got that fishing line around it. And you got to pull that forward when you latch the handle in. Now, I'm not saying this is going to work. So let's balance the phone again. And it may not work right away. You know, it may take me a couple of tries. All the handles are the same and interchangeable. So you can put them anywhere. This piece just snaps in the front, and then you got to catch the back handle. Now, you can't pull that latch out yourself so easily. It's pretty hard to pull out. That just slips in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to latch this out myself. Let's put this way. So maybe you can see, this may not work at all. Okay. I got it. Okay. So you saw how I got that latched in? Now, I use a lot of string because in case I snap one of them. Now, you just grab one string, one side of it, open up there and slide it out. Look. That's it. It's on. Now, you got to do the other half. We got to get that chrome piece in to make it matching chrome. See this? And they're, like I said, they're all interchangeable. It doesn't matter which one goes where. Okay? So, the chrome piece just goes, again, open up the handle a little bit, kind of, chrome one's a little fatter than the other one. So, I'm going to have to move some of that screw out a little bit further. And when I do the rest of these, I'm definitely taking care of this problem with this. There we go. Just going to move that a little bit. Why is it not? It's actually not fitting in there smoothly. Oh, it's out pretty far. Okay, the screw is way out there. I'm going to show you that screw. Okay. Actually, I don't have to. It's good. Now it should go in. So we take that. That's it. Then we tighten up this thing. Check this out. I mean, it really is not hard. Okay, now I'm going to show you that screw because I don't think I showed it to you before. Here's the screw that was under that cap. See that, the little Torx? I think it was, I forgot what number it was, T25 or something. All right. Put the cap back in. There we go. See how easy that was? Done. So now I got to do the other side. As you can see, the other side's in black. And I am a little nervous about this one, but you know what? It's the same thing. This cover comes off and it goes over the lock. So you're not even moving the lock. So that's it. All right. Like, subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my crazy little videos.